Hi guys, this is Ash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the Power BI matrix. Generally, when we use the tables, so table consists of the row and columns, and it does not support the aggregation, and flat and duplicate value are displayed. But in case of the matrix, it supports the multi dimensions. Also, the step layout, aggregation, and drill down functionality also provides. Before we start practical on the matrix, we have some data. So we check that data in Excel sheet. We have dates, year 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Like then the amount, loan disbursed, then the age, gender, interest rate, purpose, and category. So my requirement is I have to generate a reports how much loan was disbursed for these years for 20, 21, 22, and 23. Secondly, for what purpose? For business purpose, personal, home, then goods, and also I have the subcategory for the purpose. For the business, I have the IT, again business sales, then business development and business solution. So these are the subcategories for this purpose. So I can use this category for the drill down of the data. Also, for the detailed reports, we can add these information, say age, gender, interest. Let us do the practical of the matrix on the Power BI desktop. So you can see the data already uploaded. Now matrix. So in the feed section, in rows, drag and drop purpose. In columns, date. Because we want the display of the loan amount of loan disbursed year wise in columns. So that's why we have the date in columns. In values, amount of loan disbursed. So we have the matrix. Now let us have some formatting. Column headers, then row headers, then values, alternate color, then subtotal. It is already on. Now our matrix is ready. So how it's working? Let us check. In the first column we have the purpose, the business, home, other, personal, goods. So these data are the group by data, distinct value. In the columns we have the year 20, 21, 22, 23, and then we have the values in the columns. Say 9,000 for business loan disbursed. This is the total. 21 for personal loan was disbursed 6,000, then total. Again the same thing in the row wise. Business 9,000, then 4,000, 5,000, and 18,000. So because of this calculation, this is called the multi-dimensional matrix. So we have the total row wise and the column wise. So along with the purpose, I also need the information about the category. So drag and drop category in the rows. Now, so you can see we can expand the subcategories. Say business. In business we have the development, IT, sales, solution, and total. This is the total of this business, and this home. There's gas, kitchen, and this is the total of this home. Then other the personal and goods. So we have the data for the rows and columns, and in the columns we have the date, and date is already bifurcated by the Power BI desktop by default. It means we can drill down the data for year, quarter, month, and day. Same way we can drill down the data for the purpose and the category. How to do that one? So now you right click on this one. So we have the two options: show next level and expand to next level. So what is the difference between two? If you click on the first one, show next level, it means you display the next level individually. But if you click on the expand to the next level, it means you display the next level including the previous level. So first of all, we will check show next level. If I click on this one, so we have the next table for the category by car, development, furniture, and gas. Again, next level, then we have the quarters, and again say next level, Now we have the month. Next level, now we have the day and total. Okay, drill up. Now we try the second option, that is the expand to the next level. If I click that one, then so including the next level, we have the previous level, business, home, other, personal, and the year. Say show expand to the next level, then along with the year we have the quarters. Again expand to the next level, then we have the year, quarter, and month. So this way you can drill down the data in the matrix. So guys, this was all about the matrix in Power BI. Thanks for watching the video.